Hello guys, today we're going to be making some very easy halwa. It only takes just a few ingredients and it's very delicious. For the ingredients, you will need 1.5 teaspoons of ground nutmeg and cardamom. It's better to have freshly ground nutmeg because it's better for the taste. You also need 3 tablespoons of oil and 200 grams of butter ghee. This will help the halwa not stick to the pan and the butter ghee will help with the taste. Also, 200 milliliters of tea with soaked saffron in it and 800 milliliters of water. And 40 grams of corn flour, which will help the halwa thicken up. In a separate bowl, you will need 250 grams of brown sugar and 250 grams of white sugar. In a pot, put the 800 milliliters of water and the mixture of the two sugars. Make sure both sugars are dissolved and keep mixing. In a separate cup, add your 40 grams of corn flour and add your saffron-soaked tea and mix it all up. Then add your corn flour and saffron tea mixture into the sugar water. After 15-20 minutes, it should start bubbling and getting thick. Once it all starts coming together, that means it's ready. Pour it into a pan of your choice, and then drain all the oil out. Then make sure it's completely cooled down so it's easier to cut up. Once it's completely cooled down, you can cut it up and pair it with some biscuits or tea